Car rental website template with Divi. We'll explore 3 top-tier car rental website templates utilizing Divi. With 2 premium selections and 1 exceptional free option, let's discover the perfect fit for your business needs. Before we start, if you haven't installed the Divi theme yet and need guidance, click on the link in the description below for a complete walkthrough. First, let's explore the template available in the Divi marketplace. By clicking on Live Demo, we can experience the website firsthand. This template showcases a sleek design, optimized to engage visitors and simplify the booking process, ensuring an exceptional user experience. This premium template is priced at an affordable $19, perfect for those ready to invest in a professional online presence. Next up, another gem from the Divi marketplace. Let's dive into its live demo to assess its potential. With its modern aesthetic and intuitive layout, this template streamlines customer navigation, enhancing the overall user journey. Priced at just $9, this template offers excellent value and enables you to elevate your online presence with minimal investment. Finally, check out this outstanding free option, accessible with the Divi theme, a cost-effective solution yet without compromising quality. The template maintains a polished look while integrating essential functionalities perfect for any car rental service. If you're interested in learning how to create and edit this free website template with Divi, check the link in the description. It guides you through creating a modern website with Divi and WordPress. And that's it.